Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in AI technology. Today, we are unraveling the world of AI PCs. You're going to see a lot of buzz around these devices from major brands like Dell, HP, and Lenovo. But the real question is, are they worth the hype? Stay tuned as we break down their features and find out if you really need an AI PC. Alright, let's get right into it. What exactly is an AI PC? Simply put, it's a computer with a specialized processor known as an NPU, or neural processing unit. Think of the NPU as the brain that's supercharged to handle AI tasks right on your device. For instance, Dell's latest AI laptops are equipped with these NPUs to manage complex tasks more efficiently. Now, many of you might be wondering, what's so special about these NPUs? Imagine you have a friend who is a calculus was helping you with your homework. The NPU is like that friend, handling the heavy calculations while you relax. Take HP's AI laptops, for example. They can improve your video call experiences with features like automatic eye contact and live captions. Sounds cool, right? But there's more. Lenovo's Yoga series, for instance, comes with AI functionalities like blurring your background during video calls and even correcting your gaze so it always looks like you're paying attention. Creepy? Maybe just a bit. But effective? Absolutely. It's features like these that can make your digital life easier and more streamlined. So you might ask, how do these AI PCs differ from the usual ones? The biggest difference comes down to the chips they use. AI PCs often use processors from Qualcomm instead of the conventional Intel or AMD ones. Qualcomm chips are designed to be super efficient for AI tasks, making your laptop faster and the battery life longer. Intel and AMD are catching up, with their Meteor Lake and Ryzen AI chips expected to launch soon. One might wonder, what can AI really do for me? If you're a student or a professional, these AI features can be incredibly handy. Imagine having live translations for your online lectures or video conferences. With NPUs running at 40 trillion operations per second, tasks you once thought were tedious become seamless and quick. That's where these AI PCs shine. A standout feature is Microsoft's Copilot chatbot, a smart assistant which can now be directly accessed from your keyboard with a dedicated button. You might be thinking, do I really need another chatbot? Well, this one integrates deeply with your system settings, although it's worth mentioning that it's still somewhat limited compared to using it on the web. However, it's designed to save time and make your interactions smoother. Live captions and translations can be a game changer. AI PCs can generate live captions in real time and can translate audio from 44 languages into English. While the technology isn't perfect yet, you might find stilted sentences. The potential for real-time comprehension across languages is huge. Think international business meetings or learning from foreign language videos. Artists and creators, listen up. If you're like me and your MS Paint skills are, let's say, less than stellar, AI can help you out. With the AI-powered co-creator tool in Paint, just describe what you want and let the AI fill in the details. This is fantastic for quickly generating ideas or helping kids get creative, though it's far from a professional tool. When it comes to battery life, AI PCs tend to blow traditional laptops out of the water. Take the Surface laptop, for example. I tested it extensively, writing, video calls, gaming, you name it, and it still had between 20 to 30% battery left at the end of the day. That's impressive for a Windows machine, and it means less battery dread during your busy day. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Due to the different chip architecture, some apps, especially older ones or certain games, may not run as expected on Qualcomm-powered AI PCs. They attempt to translate these apps to the new architecture, which sometimes results in bugs and increased power consumption. So, if you rely on specific software, you may want to double-check compatibility before diving in. Interestingly, businesses are leading the charge in adopting AI PCs. According to Circana's monitoring, business adoption is outpacing consumer adoption. Enterprises see clear value in AI-enhanced efficiency and specific use cases tailored to their industry. Consumers, particularly content creators, are beginning to recognize the benefits too, although at a slower pace. Dive into some technical details. Circana's data reveals that a mere 8% of notebooks purchased in 2024 qualify as AI PCs. Out of these, only 2% feature NPUs capable of 40 TOPS or more, a requirement for Windows Copilot Plus features. These stats reflect how quickly the industry is moving, but also the limited availability of top-tier AI-capable units so far. One flagship feature of the Copilot Plus PCs was supposed to be Recall, which takes screenshots of your activities to help you remember tasks. However, after security concerns about it storing sensitive data insecurely, Microsoft pulled the feature to fine-tune its safety measures. For now, it remains a promise rather than a reality. And gamers, take note, many games don't yet play nicely with these new Qualcomm chips. They see a processor they don't recognize and simply refuse to start. That's a significant downside if you're an avid gamer, so you might want to wait until software developers catch up with this new hardware. To sum up, are AI PCs worth it right now? If exceptional battery life and some neat but currently limited AI features appeal to you, then yes. For heavy users who rely on a variety of software, it might be worth waiting until compatibility issues are ironed out. These AI PCs are on the horizon of a broader revolution, promising more efficient and capable computing in the near future. Before we wrap up, I want to say a huge thank you for supporting All About AI Tech. We're constantly striving to bring you high-quality, informative content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'm always here to listen to your thoughts and suggestions. Let's build a community where we can share and grow together in this exciting AI tech journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Let's dive a bit deeper into some specifics. One of the coolest features I've tried is the eye contact tool. Imagine you're glancing at your notes during a Zoom call, but the person on the other end sees you as if you're staring straight into the camera. It's creepy, but it works splendidly to maintain that professional look. For those of you who are content creators, these AI PCs can streamline your process significantly. From live translations to automatic video enhancements, these tools can save you a lot of time. Imagine your videos getting subtitles in 44 languages instantly, or having crisp and clean video calls with background blurring that just works. Students, you're not left out. Picture this. You're in your dorm room late at night, cramming for exams, and your AI PC is helping you with note-taking, live translations for foreign study materials, and even organizing your study schedule with AI reminders. It's like having a personal assistant tailored to your academic needs. One feature that stands out is the AI-driven image generation in MS Paint. You simply describe what you want, and the AI fills in the rest. This is super handy for those quick mock-ups or getting a burst of inspiration when you're in a creative rut. It's not just a gimmick. It has real, practical applications. Another fascinating aspect is the AI-powered camera effects. Whether you're attending an online lecture or a business meeting, these tools can make you look more presentable instantly. Background blurring, lighting adjustments, and even background noise reduction happen in real time, enhancing the overall experience. In the professional world, AI PCs can be a game changer. From automating mundane tasks to providing real-time translations during international meetings, these machines are designed to boost productivity. Picture yourself breezing through tasks you once found tedious, all made possible by the AI capabilities integrated right into your laptop. Battery life is another significant advantage of AI PCs. For instance, the Surface laptop I tested lasted almost 12 hours with intensive use. Compare that to a regular laptop, and you're looking at a major boost. This means you can go through a whole day of work or study without worrying about plugging in all the time. However, there are some downsides too. Compatibility with older apps can be an issue. If you rely on specific legacy software, you might face challenges. Some apps may not run perfectly or may drain your battery faster as the system tries to adapt. It's a trade-off you have to consider before making the switch. Going back to the co-creator tool in MS Paint, it's not just for kids. As a professional, you can quickly generate visuals for presentations or promotional materials. Just give it a few guidelines and watch the AI create something amazing. This feature alone can save you hours of work, making it invaluable for fast-paced environments. Now, let's talk about live captions. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially for those with hearing impairments or for anyone attending international webinars. It's not perfect yet. Sometimes the translations can be a bit off, but it's a step towards making information universally accessible. Video editors, rejoice! AI can now assist you in ways you never thought possible. From automatic scene switching to real-time color grading, these AI-powered tools can simplify your workflow. You spend less time on mundane tasks and more time on the creative aspects of your project. But let's not forget about the gamers. Some games don't yet support these new Qualcomm chips, which can be quite frustrating. Many titles reject the processor and refuse to start. Until game developers update their software to support this new hardware, you might hit some roadblocks. Businesses are seeing the most advantages right now, with precise use cases like data analysis, predictive maintenance, and efficient customer service. AI PCs are proving their worth. Enterprises that have adopted these technologies are witnessing improved workflows and greater operational efficiency. And let's not forget about the recall feature. Although it's temporarily pulled due to security concerns, it's set to be a revolutionary tool. Imagine never having to worry about losing track of your work again. You can quickly pull up past activities or important notes. It's like having a photographic memory for your laptop.